Alright, it's Alan here from Gold Coast School of Guitar, back with you with a song snippet and helping you to play between, or change I should say, between the G and B minor chord. It's a tricky change for sure, but what I see a lot of people do is like they've got the G chord, but when they go to the B minor, they lift all their fingers off away from the thing before getting into place, and there a lot of the song has gone past already. All right, so when you're changing from the G to B minor, keep your first finger there. It's already in place of the second fret there of the fifth string, and you're going to just lay it down by moving your wrist around into place to lay that finger down for the B minor bar chord. Okay? So it's not we're lifting all fingers off, it's just keeping that finger there as an anchor point and therefore as a pivot, and do it like that. Now when I change, my thumb is sort of behind the first finger there for the G chord, and then as I change into it, you'll see it doesn't move position. I alter it because the wrist rolls around, and that's all I'm trying to do, get this wrist here over to here. All right, it's not like I'm readjusting and bringing it forward or anything. It's just like G into B minor. Now that's going to take a little bit of time to develop, of course, but if you stay relaxed when you do it, all right, as you change from the G into the B minor, all right, and it's Against the Wind by Bob Seger. Seems like yesterday, it was long ago. Jeannie, she's lovely, she's a queen of my nights. Now, I'm no singer, but like, I'm just giving you there as a guide. So from there, you've got like Girl from North Country by Bob Dylan, and there's many songs out there that uses this little change there. All right, and it's just a good one to get in your tool bag. But like I'm just keeping this finger here on the fifth string, second fret, and rolling it around. So my first finger is coming straight up and down against the fret for the bar chord there. All right, so I'm there first and just coming around. Hopefully you can see that. And then putting the rest of the B minor shape in there. All right, keep that, move that, keep it nice and relaxed, and just roll it around. All right, you're not looking for, it's just taking that, I don't know whether you can see the wrist, around like that. Okay, run with that. And that's the little song snippet for today. All right, hope you get a lot out of it. If you do, or you need further help, send a comment below and I'll talk to you.